Hi, my name is Juan Camorribi and this is my CS50 final project. I made an educational app that is an interactive story on innovation, and more specifically, it's a tiny tale about what it happens to innovation after the creativity occurs. Okay, let's play with the program. Here is the program. To begin with, the user takes the role of a chief innovation officer of a company, of a department. So we're going to choose the girl. And now the program tells the user the situation. The user has a lot of ideas to manage. So the user can enter here the number of ideas in his company and the number of ideas that they could achieve if they engage also customers and suppliers. Submit data. Now it's time to plan what the user is going to do with all those ideas. So it has to enter some data related to time to manage several points about any idea. For example, 1 hour to assess economic profitability, 1 hour to assess technical details and execution capability, half an hour for alignment, and half an hour for other points, and submit. Now it's time to choose if the CIO is going to work by himself or herself, or is going to have a team to work with, and then choose if we go alone or with a team. Finally, the program asks for 2 more data, meetings per month that is going to hold with the innovation team, for example 4, and the average duration of a meeting, for example 2 hours and a half. Then submit, and oh, are you kidding? What a disaster! 30 months, it's what it will take only to study the 100 ideas contributed by people in your company, and 120 months if you have to manage the ideas contributed by customers, suppliers, etc. But don't worry, you can still get an happy ending for your innovation story. Just have to get some advice. So you click on the button, and here you have a little explanation and 3 tips to help the user to do a better management of innovation after the creativity occurs. Okay, that's all. I hope you like it. And now I have to do this. My name is Juan, and yes, this is CS50.